Hola! In this video, I will show you how to use reflexive verbs in Spanish in sentences. We use reflexive verbs whenever we want to talk about an action that is performed by the person on themselves. For example, brushing your own teeth, shaving yourself, combing your own hair, putting your own clothes on, or waking yourself up are some examples of reflexive verbs or actions. To form your reflexive verbs, all you have to do is remove the SE from the verb, conjugate the verb in present tense, add the reflexive pronoun, and finish the sentence with additional information. Let's go ahead and put that into practice in some sentences. First, I want you to notice that we have your reflexive pronouns on the left side. So for each subject, we have me, te, se, nos, os, and se. So we're going to follow these steps to form a sentence and tell that Paco is washing his own face. So Paco washes his face. How will we say that in Spanish? We're going to start off with the verb to wash oneself, which is lavarse. And we're going to remove the SE from step one. We're going to remove the SE from lavarse. So we'll end up with lavar. We're going to follow the next step, which is number 2, to conjugate that verb in present tense. And if you do not know how to conjugate verbs in present tense, make sure to watch the video on how to conjugate verbs in present tense. So I know that Paco is a he, so I need to change the AR to an A. So now I have Paco lava. Number 3 is to add the reflexive pronoun. For Paco is a he, so we're going to use the himself. He's doing the action to himself, so we're going to use se. If you look over in this sentence, we have se, which is the reflexive pronoun before the verb in present tense. So Paco se lava. And last, we're going to add that he washes his face. So we need to add his face to the sentence, which is at the end of the sentence. So to say that Paco washes his face, we would say in Spanish, Paco se lava la cara. Let's use it in one more sentence. Here we have a group of children brushing their teeth, so we want to say they brush their teeth. So starting with to brush oneself, cepillarse, we remove the SE and end with cepillar. We conjugate that verb in present they form, which is ellos. We have to change the AR to an AN. Ellos cepillan. Then we need to add the reflexive pronoun. Since the subject is themselves, they're doing the action to themselves, we're going to use the SE. So here's a reflexive pronoun before the verb. Ellos se cepillan. And then we're going to finish the sentence to tell what they're brushing. So ellos se cepillan los dientes. And that's how you form your reflexive verbs in sentences in Spanish.